Morning, guys. So see these boots? So I got these boots, and these is not a pair of boots that I ordered. I ordered a different kind of boots, and I guess the vendor was trying to get a hold of me and to let me know that the particular boots that I ordered was out of stock. They was no longer available, but the boots was a final sale. So with the boots being a final sale, I guess it was like they'll do a gift card or whatever, because the boots was clearance out, but my size was no longer available. So they wind up sending me these as a free gift, and then unannounced to me on my account, they had credited the money back. So I had got inspired with 3D boots. So what 3D boots is, guys, 3D boots is boots with appliques or something on them to make them pop. So I was online and I had saw these 3D boots, and I was like, you know what? Those are really cool. But the boots was very expensive. Like, well, not really. But the boots was like $300. And I'm like, I wouldn't pay that. So I just wanted to share with you guys kind of what I did. I got the other, and I just was thinking out loud, and I bought this applique from Amazon. And I started putting it on a boot. And then I was like, oh, I'm going to see how it look. And then I just grabbed some stones, multicolor, and started putting it all around. So I ordered another one of these from Amazon. I ordered another additional one from Amazon. So what I did, you definitely want to stuff the boot because you don't want the boot to be too small. Put your leg in. So anything that's around the bottom with the lace, applique, I glued. But when I got right here around the knee and right here, I actually literally took a needle and thread and I sewed it onto the boot. So you definitely want to have your leg measurement in tap, because you don't want to make it too small. And as you can see, when I got back here to the back, I didn't really put anything up there because I was afraid of making it absolutely too small. So I just wanted to give y'all how I put it together. And when it all get together, it's going to be really cool. So I'm even going to create a hat. So I'm going to put on a nice bodysuit. I'm going to create a hat with this same kind of, 3D thing going on it. And yeah, I just want to share with you guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So these is a 3D boot. So these boots are considered what people call stocking boots. So if you want to make something like this, these are stocking. They would be considered stocking boots. And yeah, so the rest of the stones I am using like I don't use the E6000 because they fall off so quick. So I'm using like the hot glue, but I'm using a Gorilla hot glue, because if you guys have used hot glue and you be sitting there, and a lot of times that stuff will just go to popping off. So I'm using hot glue, but these are Gorilla glue hot glue sticks, because I don't want to be walking around and losing the hardware. So yes, I wanted something 3D. I wanted something different. So I have a weird, funky style. So yeah, I'm always doing something, funky and unique. So thank you guys for watching. So yeah, you guys order them stocking boots and make you something different. I don't know. I like different. I like bold. So you guys have an awesome day. Toodles. Let me go correction. I'm not meaning that E6000 glue is not a good glue to use, but E6000 has to cure before it sticks. So when you put E6000 on, you need to kind of have it on a flat surface, because if it's not cured, it'll pop off. But I'm using this. So I'm taking a little bit, putting it on. So this is already really, really tacky. So with this being already really, really tacky, when you put it on, it adheres to the boot. So I started using, yeah, that. So that's what I wanted to let you guys know. I don't want to say that E6000 don't work. E6000 work, but E6000 needs to cure before it sticks. So if you notice with this glue, it's so sticky that it is sticking without, curing right away. Still you want it to dry, but I wanted to correct that, because E6000 is a great glue, but you need E6000 to cure before you can, you know, before you can, move, you know, I'm sorry, I'm early in the morning getting tongue tied. So what I'm trying to say is that E6000 is a great glue, but E6000 needs to cure and lay flat. If not, like if you took E6000 and did this and these boots is upright, you're going to come back and they're going to be on the floor because it needs to cure to the fabric. So, yeah. So it needs to be on a flat surface. But something like this, I had to extend the boot. And the reason why you extending the boot, because you don't want the boot to be too small where you cannot put your leg in it because you didn't glue so much stuff on and it won't expand. So also, you know, with these boots, I didn't go like make it real. If you notice, I'm moving around on this boot. So it's giving the boot the ability to still expand. Don't go crazy with the stones where you're going to cover up every bit of the boot. Then the boot won't expand. So that's why I'm not going like so close and everywhere. But yeah, I just got inspired by these 3D boots, and I like sparkle and I like different. So wanted to correct that. So you guys have an awesome day. Toodles.